get ready with me to blow up all these balloons. And I'm still not done yet. This is more, and I'm not done. So this is left. Then I'm going to blow up some gold. I only have a little bit of gold, so I'm going to use the rest of that I do have. But yeah, and then I'm going to start putting them in clusters. Done. I'm still not done blowing up the balloons, but I'm about to put them in clusters. I do my clusters in 6, so I get 2 balloons, put them together, and then 2 more to make 6. See, you want to make sure like they're all tied together or they will come apart.
I'm getting my community center done. If it's the last thing I do. Oh, snap. So, I see you later, you. Can't press all. Nah, we waiting for you.
Can I come?
No,
Why not?
because I said so. You know, come on.
Let's go.
Oh, you should be downstairs with everyone else.
I wasn't invited.
Invited?
Jacob, today I thought maybe you might go to the science center. How does that sound?
Good. Maybe